How to show on Discord what you are watching on YouTube. In this video, I will show you how to show others on Discord what you are currently watching in YouTube. This should be a quick video since it is easy, so if it helps you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you have any questions or suggestions, leave a comment down below. So let's jump straight into the video. So in your browser, search for Pre-Mid and click on this right here. Go to the download section and you can see here the versions available on different OS. So let us download it first, then follow the installation process. And once you are done, go back again to the download page and click here on the extensions for the browser you are using. Now make sure to install the Pre-Mid extension on your browser. After that, make sure that the Pre-Mid is running on your desktop. If not, just search it and run. Now if we go back to our browser, open the extension and open the Pre-Mid. We can see here different streaming platforms that can be shown. So I will turn this all off except for YouTube. And now let's go to the YouTube and play a random video. If you have followed my steps and now you are playing video on YouTube on your browser, it will automatically show what video it is on the Discord app. So I hope this video helps you. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave a comment down below. And don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys!